should you buy land and build on it, or buy something that's already constructed and turnkey and ready for rental? The answer boils down to the money, the ROI. Now, you always will maximize your returns when you're able to transform an asset. That means when you buy land and build on it, you're doing a transformation, and so you're able to maximize your ROI. But with maximizing your ROI comes the headache of getting permits for building, working with contractors, having delays, and possibly having overruns in terms of costs. For a lot of persons, those drawbacks are not worth the maximizing of ROI, and so they choose to go with something that's already constructed. You will have a slightly lower return. I'm talking 10, 15, even 20% in some instances, but that's still a very decent type returns for real estate investing. So it really boils down to, if you want to maximize ROI, you have to deal with the drawbacks, right? But if you say, I'm okay with 10, 15, or 20% returns per year, then go ahead with something that's already constructed, turnkey, and you're able to start that rental strategy sooner rather than later.